customers? What's the, like, yung niche na willing to spend big amount?
Madami, honestly, for local. I mean, we were in Davao and there's a local agency there charging like 100, 200,000 per month sa mga clients sila. And dentist din, imagine that, mga dentist din and all of that. The key for local is that it's not the niche gid yung importante. You have to create a product that delivers conversion. So if sure ka na yung product mo converts, then they will buy from it. Pero isa lang, focus on one niche. If salon yan, then focus on the higher end salons. Kasi the lower ends cannot afford it anyway, di ba? 10,000 per month, mabigat na sa kanila. You know? The effort of marketing to an expensive client and a broke client is the same. The headache is less. Diba? Then experience na siguro, diba? The higher paying clients don't complain much. Diba? So yun.
No supervision at all.
No supervision at all.